How to fix X Twitter app slow loading. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device and make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, all you have to do is go to the Play Store application and search for the X application over here. Just make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application. As you tap on that, tap on app info and it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on that, and then if it's possible you can delete all data, but if it's not, you can just clear cache as well. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here, such as the camera, the location, files and media over here. So just go to each option and then toggle on this option. And after that, you can just tap on your power button and restart your device, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.